Hi everyone, Maria here from Pushwoosh, and today I'll show you how to find inactive users, and I will show you two ways to re-engage with them. We will do it with the help of user behavioral segmentation in Pushwoosh. This approach works across the industries from e-commerce to gaming and betting. The first step is we open the Audience tab, Events. Inactivity is one of the default Pushwoosh events, so you don't need to set it up. It's already being tracked as soon as you configure the Pushwoosh platform into your website or mobile app. Here, we're using a Pushwoosh application open event to create a segment. I'm clicking Segments, Create a Segment. To create a segment, we can use events like today and tags which user attributes. Let me choose Application Open. I can choose users who never interacted with my app during 30 days. And here we have estimated size already. I'll call it Inactive Users 30 days, and I click Save. Okay, the segment is ready. The second step is to understand what channel we want to use. If user hasn't opened an app in 30 days, we may want to contact them outside the app, via SMS, email, or WhatsApp. In my case, I decided to go with an email. In email content, I already prepared an email template with a discount code. Now we have two options. We can send just one message to inactive users. Here, I'm going to choose Email, and here I choose Waiting Bonus. I'm just quickly checking the preview. Next is the audience. I want to choose the segment Inactive Users. Here we go. And now scheduling. I can send it immediately or select a time in subscriber's time zone, for example, so it will be sent not all at once, but depending on user time zone. I can quickly review that and click Schedule. Done. Here's another option. We can automatically send it via Customer Journey Builder to add automated follow-ups. I will create mine from scratch. Here I will use audience-based entry, meaning that I'm sending this drip to a specific segment. Audience source, my inactive segment, and save. I want to send them the waiting bonus email. We can stop here, or we can add auto nudges. I'm clicking the email and turning on the split flow depending on the email was open or not. I want to wait for 5 days and then check whether users open this email or not. And depending on the user behavior, I can automate my communications. For example, if a user opened my email within 5 days, I want to do nothing, so I just click Exit. But if a user hasn't opened the email in 5 days, I want to do something actionable. For example, auto-nudge them with an SMS, saying something like, grab your bonus. You can use dip links to navigate these customers to any specific page. Again, you can split the flow and add another follow-up. For example, if a user hasn't interacted with my SMS, I can send a WhatsApp message. Or if they interacted, we want them to exit the journey, and it can go on and on until the maximum users will be re-engaged with your app. And that's it for today. See you next time.